Welcome to the 7th tutorial for flexible urban modeling, and in this tutorial we'll be using particle flow to animate water falling onto the floor. So for the first part, you're just going to want to draw a plane, and then you want to go down into this menu and find the particle systems, and we want to create a PF source. So you just hold down and drag it across, and we can even move it up a bit. Just as a sneak peek of what might be to come, we can hit this play button to see what it can do. For the next step, we want to turn our floor into a deflector field. So what you want to do here is go here, change this from forces to deflectors, deflector, and then draw a deflect field around our area. The next step is we want to click on our PF source, go into the particle view, and we want to use a collision spawn. So we just drag this out, throw this into the mix, and we want to add our deflector field to that. Now we need to make some adjustments to the settings, so we're going to take this off, and we're going to increase the amount of variation, and perhaps more of the offspring. So what this, after that is done, we need to look at adding gravity to the mix. So if we go back here to our forces, we can place a gravity down there. Then once we put the gravity down, we need to go back to our particle view, and we need to apply a force to our particle view, and we can just add our gravity. And what you can see that it should do now is that, yep, it's looking good. The next step will be to actually reduce the amount of deflection that we're seeing here. So if we go back to our if we select our deflector and reduce the amount of deflection to say 0.002, should be seeing less of it. Yep. The next step will be to actually rotate this a little bit. And then we'll go back to the particle view and add a collision to the collision spawn. So the collision point will be the deflector field once more, so we'll just add that. And then we're going to want to bring this across once more. And then once you put this back up there, you can actually see now the water stops falling through the floor like it was doing previously, which is good. Finally, to make it look a bit more like water, let's go to the compound objects. Let's grab ourselves a blob mesh. Let's just color it blue for the sake of it being water, and change what we're generating into that. So now and that should about wrap up the tutorial.